What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Alyssa here, back with another video. Yes, it's the last day of the week. Well, not really, but really. Today's video is going to be about the best stylers and my best edge control. As you can see, these babies is laid. So I will show you guys what I use in my hair and to get these babies laid down today. And if you guys haven't checked out my recent video, make sure you guys check that out. I have that linked up above and linked down below. Make sure you check that out after this video, of course, and give that a big thumbs up. And also, if you aren't already, subscribe, click that notification bell, make sure you're notified when I post, and let's get this video some likes. I would say 20 likes. Let's get this video to 20 likes. And if you guys aren't already following me on my hair journey on my Instagram, I have that link down below as well. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get into this video. So my first favorite styler would be the Curls Blueberry Bliss Jelly. You know it's good when you're trying to save what's left because you don't want it to run out. And I don't want it to run out. So I'm holding on for dear life with this one. It smells so sweet, it smells good. My curls are popping when I use this. Like, the definition in my curls is unmatched. Unmatched. Like, I love how this makes my hair look. My next one would be from SheaMoisture. The high porosity line. I got the gel. This actually is really nice in my hair too. It leaves my hair very moisturized, and even though it says it don't have that much hold, it has a lot of hold to it to me, and it definitely defines my curls really nicely. I appreciate it. It's very appreciated. I think I have a lot left in here. I just try to switch up my styling products because I don't want to run out of my go-tos because your girl on a budget. So my next one would be Eden Body Works, the Almond Marshmallow Hydration Serum. It's like, I'm confused with this. It's like, is it a serum? Is it a gel? Is it a leave-in? But when I used it, it definitely had some hold to it. It defined my curls. It moisturized my curls. So I'm guessing it's a gel. Nobody really knows. It's kind of hard to tell. Either way, the name is confusing, but the product is amazing. And also keep an eye out for a next video on a wash and go. I'm going to actually be using the whole line, from the deep conditioner to the leave-in conditioner to the styling product. Alright, I actually did a video on this. The Main Choice Ancient Egyptian 24 karat gold glistening gold glistening gel, twisting gel. And if you haven't seen that video, I'll have that above as well and linked down below. Make sure you guys watch my first wash and go. I've never done one before, and this was the product I used to get my first wash and go, and it was really good. So if you want to see the result of that, go watch that video. But it left my hair very moisturized. My hair didn't feel dry. It had some hold to it. I don't know if because of just how my hair is in general, even though products say no hold or it's soft hold or blah 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 hold, my hair always have like a lot of hold to it. That's just my hair, but I'm high porosity, so there you go. The next one would be Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Flaxseed Gel. This is like voodoo in a jar. for some odd reason. It's a big jar and you get a lot. Like this is, and it smells so good. Oh, this is like voodoo in a jar, but it's really good. If you guys used this before, let me know. Put your hands up, let me know, because this is a really good product too. Even though a lot of people don't like it, I like it. It don't strike my hair too much, but I like the length it gives me either way. And now I'm about to move on to my last two products, and the two products I use to lay these edges down. The first one, yes, is an Ecostyler, and it's the black castor oil and flaxseed line, I would say, or gel. But I only use this on my edges. I don't put this throughout my hair, only because I notice when I do use this just around the perimeter of my head, it has this weird tingly feeling, if you know what I mean. If you experienced that before, let me know, because it only do that when I use this. It never do that with any other product, but only with this one. I don't know if it's black castor oil or if it's the product in general, but I don't know. I don't try to use it as much. I just use it if I'm doing like a sleek bun, or if I want to do these. But the next product that I'm going to show you, I only want to use for like my wash and goes, because it keeps it plastered. And that last product would be, of course, the main choice, the 4-leaf clover. It do what it says, like literally. Stubborn edges freezing gel. It freezes my edges. See, my edges are like type 4. The rest of my hair is 3C, 4A in some spots. Like right here is 4A, and then everywhere else 3C, and edges 4A. But this right here, I'm gonna need 5 of these. Put this on your sleek bun, wash and go for your edges. Like, it holds your babies down. It's worth that money. Get it. Change your life for the better with this. Alright you guys, and that's it for today's video and the last video of my favorites. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure you guys give a big thumbs up. Also, let me know if you guys use any of these gels or these products in your hair, for your wash and goes, for your edges, for anything. Just let me know, comment down below. And also, give a big like, and if you aren't already, subscribe. And also, check out my whole week, from my favorite shampoos, to my deep conditioners, to my leave-ins, to my oils. Make sure you guys check all of those out. Make sure you like all of those videos. I'll have that playlist linked down below or linked above. Make sure you guys check it out, give a like, and make sure you guys are following me on my hair journey on my Instagram, my Twitter, my Snapchat. I'll have that link down below as well. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys have a great day.